Good morning, future me. It is 7 o'clock, 4th October. We got this beautiful morning. I just woke up. Now, ice cold shower. You just, yesterday, the wallet, it doesn't need to look perfect. Like, it only shall give the people the idea that they can do this as well. And so then you will, oh, this looks amazing. And then you will have to, and now you build the T-Rex. Well, I will build the T-Rex now and the N1 Starfighter without speaking because my voice is that bad. I'll wait until the builds are finished, and then I will record again, saying it and then cutting it. Kind of, it's about the footage of the builds so that you guys see what I did. Yeah, but now ice cold shower, and then let's go building. And if the technique, if the PC holds, everything should be fine. If tech works, I think I can do it in the next. The builds should be finished in the next 2 to 3 days. Then video editing, I will do this all day. And I mean, if I need 1 hour, 2 hours, if I edit 5 hours for one video, it doesn't matter. Then I will do the TikToks. I only need for each video one very, very good video, one good TikTok, and then this one can go on Instagram, Reddit, YouTube, and TikTok, and then this should work out. Yeah, let's go.